This revolutionary advancement redefines the landscape of video management system, setting a new benchmark for innovation. Hello everyone, welcome to Solution Insight. I'm Mike. Let me unveil an exciting new chapter of intelligent video management with the proven power of Milestone XProtect, now enhanced by Edge AI integrations. Video management systems, or VMS, have become so prevalent that enterprises struggle to monitor the vast streams of video data continuously. In response, Lanner has collaborated with Milestone to create an API gateway, streamline the integration of AI video analytics with the Milestone XProtect VMS. Introducing the Milestone AI Bridge, an MIP SDK developed with the cloud-native technologies. It serves as a conduit between cameras and a VMS, allowing AI vision applications to relay analytics results directly into your XProtect VMS as valuable data, including events, metadata, and even the analyzed videos. Meet the Lanner LC2290E, an NVIDIA certified Edge AI appliance that operates a Docker container, ensuring a smooth data exchange between the IVA and the VMS. Equipped with an Intel Core i7 processor, codenamed Coffee Lake, and NVIDIA A2 GPU card support. The LC2290E boasts the unmatched processing capabilities for demanding AI applications with 4 PoE and USB connectivity. It connects effortlessly to multiple cameras for real-time data analytics. Please contact us to discover how Milestone VMS and Lanner's Edge AI appliance can revolutionize your video analytics applications, and we'll definitely get back to you. See you next time.